We paint a small living space white because white enlarges and illuminates the area, which, by the way, can be a cliché. White indeed has the potential to visually extend a space, reflect light, and add a sense of freshness to a home interior. Regardless of the fact, white is the most convenient alternative. Still, if it is not used properly, can be a simplistic and uninspired answer. An all-white home interior might become uninspiring, monotonous, and boring. It is true that a narrow and dark space can certainly be dramatically altered by painting it white, but often it could have gone too far. We may encounter a cold, lifeless, aseptic home interior. We will almost surely create an impersonal frigid area by dressing the entire room in white: walls, flooring, furniture, and accessories. One thing is certain: white does not suit everyone, although it appears to be the most practical. White paint indicates elegance and raffinement. So, if you are defined by casual, sports, or if you are not exactly in the trend of the moment, do not choose a home interior that is entirely in white. The success of a white home interior depends to a large extent on the correct use of non-color, on the tone of shades of the other finishes, on the existing or chosen complementary textures. We can paint the walls white by giving them a texture or accessorizing them: a warm wooden floor, an indoor plant with large green leaves, a rich drapery. All this can successfully complement the white walls of the room. Do you want to see some examples? Please watch this video and discover stunning designer ideas for home interior in brilliant white. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and a newly uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Greek Stainmate Interior Design Solutions. To say that white is a confusing color is why the solution for a stylish home interior: white looks good in a warm climate where there is a lot of sun and clear sky. However, it can also look great in a Nordic style or Scandinavian style home interior. Most of us are afraid of using white in our living spaces. It is a misconception that too much white can lead to depression. No, not at all. If you like to use a lot of white but you are careful about the shades, you cannot go wrong. In my home interiors, I usually suggest a warm shade with just a hint of cream or pink. These shades never go wrong. Personally, I love white furniture or white flooring, even if they are pretentious and harder to maintain. They create an open and bright interior, adding depth and drama to the overall decor without crowding the environment. The advantages of white are many. That is why it is so often found in the arrangement of the interior designer. But let me tell you what the main advantages are of using white in your home interiors. First of all, the white color visually increases the space. White is the favorite used color in the Scandinavian style design. White also is the perfect color for those who love order and simplicity. In other words, it creates a simple and elegant interior. White is the perfect background for color accent and decorations. White walls go extremely well with natural wood. In fact, wood is white's best friend. White walls are an excellent choice for those who love nature and living plants. They make together fabulous combinations. And finally, white walls are a universal solution for any kind of decor. In conclusion, at the first glance, white interiors seemed cold, raw and unfriendly. This is why we are afraid of them, and we are always looking for a color pattern or an element such wood that will complement white, usually contrasting and clear to break its brightness and delicacy as much as possible. Did you know, however, that bright interiors can delight, be beautiful and also very different? How is this possible? There are several ways to diversify and arrange white rooms in such a way that they will be extremely intriguing and surprisingly diverse. Like in these images, watch the whole video and see the best inspiring ideas for white home interiors. Allow me to end my presentation here. It might seem that a home interior decorated mostly or only in white is an effect almost impossible to achieve. First of all, there are so many types of white that we are concerned whether its different shades will go well together. Secondly, it is hard for us to imagine such a bright interior. The associations that most often come to mind are sterility and austerity. However, you have seen that surprisingly in these latest works of interior designers, they are fabulous arrangements that can really impress and enchant with their beauty and elegance. Thank you for your attention. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regards and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.